Take your lowest performing video on TikTok, upload it as a video, not a short, to YouTube. Then open up ChatGPT. You need to have the paid plan for this because you need access to the plugins. Then I want you to click on the Video Insights plugin and then enter this prompt and then watch the magic happen. ChatGPT is going to read your entire video and it's going to digest all that information. Then you're going to put in another prompt. And this is really where the magic happens. You're going to ask it to rearrange the video so that it can get you more views. You're going to ask it to include the original timestamps correlated with where the new timestamps will be. Then you're going to go to CapCut or any other video editor you might have. Want to go ahead and get those captions generated again if you had them generated the first time. Shrink them real small, just hide them somewhere on your screen. Titles. If now because you've rearranged it, there's a hook or a title that makes more sense, go ahead and add it and then just literally paste it right on top of the old title that you had before. If there's any other overlays or visuals that you want to put in there now because it just flows and makes more sense, do that as well. When you get to the description part, make sure that you've updated that portion so that it's more aligned with this edited video. It could be small, subtle changes, or it could be a complete rewrite, but